The beauty of passive income is that it generates earnings without requiring your constant active involvement. This could come from dividends from investments, royalties from a book you've written, or income from rental properties. These streams keep the cash flowing while you focus on other pursuits. Not every task requires your direct attention. By outsourcing routine or mundane tasks, you free up your own time to focus on those high-impact activities that directly drive revenue. We live in a digital age where technology can take over many repetitive tasks. Whether it's scheduling meetings or automating your marketing systems, these tools can streamline your operations and increase efficiency. It's important to identify those tasks that yield the highest returns. Prioritize tasks that directly contribute to your bottom line, ensuring your efforts are directed towards activities that truly impact your earnings. Expand your income sources and scale those ventures that prove successful. Diversifying your portfolio or business offerings can increase your revenue streams and mitigate risks. So there you have it, 5 proven strategies to work less and earn more. Passive income, outsourcing, automation, high-value tasks, and diversification. Implement these techniques to boost your financial success while achieving a healthier work-life balance. And remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Until next time.